Have you ever thought about the possibility of making money online with minimal to no effort? If so, have you ever been able to explore this possibility? When you are in a situation where you find yourself wondering if it is indeed possible to make $100 or more in a day without working all the time, have you ever found yourself in such a situation? It is perfectly possible to generate a steady income online and not have to spend entire days sitting at a desk if the right strategy is followed. This is something that can be done wholly. The idea, despite the fact that it could sound firmly out of the realm of what is remotely possible, is actually completely within the world of what is real. To achieve this specific objective, which is the integration of affiliate marketing with simple content creation, we will explore a strategy that is both simple and easy to use. It is intended to be achieved within the context of this post. The most basic and successful method for earning money through the internet is the utilization of affiliate marketing. Not only that, but it is also one of the most common ways to make money. You do not have to be responsible for the manufacture of a product, the management of stocks, or the provision of customer service. These responsibilities are not required of you. Your role will be to promote items or services and earn a commission anytime a customer makes a purchase through the one-of-a-kind referral link that you provide. You will be responsible for promoting these products or services. It will be up to you to handle this situation. The fact that the companies supply the tools is what makes it only your duty to ensure that the suitable staff are connected with the right commodities. It is an excellent strategy because it is so simple to comprehend, which is why it will be excellent for people just beginning their journey. In order to get started, it does not require more advanced expertise or even a significant investment of money. Both of these things are not required. The first thing you need to do in order to get started is to select a niche, which can be thought of as a certain subject or area of interest. This can be anything which you have significant interest in. Fitness, beauty, technologically advanced products, and even pet care are just some examples of product categories falling in the category of niches. The challenge here is to locate something that piques your interest or appeals to a significant number of other people both individually and collectively. Be careful not to overthink it, as your aim is not to become an expert. Your main goal is to build value by offering something beneficial to other people, such as sharing information or products. Do not overthink it. After you choose a particular market niche, you are already going to be able to register for affiliate marketing networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale programs. Not only do these networks give you access to hundreds of things that you can promote, but you can also use them to promote your own products. Create a platform for your company. That shall be the next step that you should take. This kind of content may include the creation of a basic blog, the setup of a channel on YouTube, or even a profile on some other social networking site. On the other hand, the point is not to create content that is flawless and requires an enormous amount of effort. Instead, the point is to focus on content that is easy to create and resonates with your audience. When you create a blog, for example, you get the chance to post simple things like product reviews, best-of lists, or helpful tips on how to do anything. If you choose to use YouTube, you don't even have to show your face. Slideshows, screen recordings, or short product demonstrations are all equally effective forms of presentation. YouTube is available for your use if you do choose to make use of it. TikTok and Instagram are two examples of social media platforms that are well suited for short-form content online. Both these are examples of great platforms. Through the use of these platforms, there is a possibility of making short videos or images that might come viral with very minimal, if any, physical labor input from the originator. In spite of the fact that it could appear to be a tricky endeavor, Raising the amount of visitors that visit your content might actually be a lot less difficult than you might otherwise assume it to be. The utilization of free services such as the Google Keyword Planner or the trends that are occurring on social media can be utilized to accomplish the task of discovering the themes that people are seeking for at the present time. It is recommended that you create content that is oriented around these topics in order to attract individuals who are already interested in them. To reduce the task of manually posting material every day, it's possible to pre-schedule articles with the aid of automation apps like Buffer or Hootsuite. This does away with the job of manually posting content. It's a great time-saving technique in itself. There is yet another method that is not only helpful but also efficient, and that is the technique of repurposing. You can reach a variety of audiences without having to create entirely new material by converting a single blog post into a video on YouTube, a clip on TikTok, or even an Instagram carousel. This allows you to reach a wider audience. The use of one blog post is what makes the possibility a reality. The only thing that would be most relevant to consider for the purpose of achieving the goal of making $100 every day is the ability to be patient. It takes a few months for most of the new people to develop their content library and audience before they can begin to earn a steady cash flow. This is the case, although there are some people who achieve results right away. One of the most tempting aspects of this technology is the fact that it may be expanded according to the needs of the business. As an illustration, a single video or blog piece that is well liked has the potential to bring in anywhere from $10 to $50 each and every single day. Automation is one of the most important factors that contribute to the ease with which this procedure may be done. It is also one of the most critical things. There are tools like Canva which make it much easier to create images or slides, and there are AI services like ChatGPT that can write scripts or blog pieces in a matter of minutes. And it would be very beneficial to have both these qualities. You can likely improve the quality of your writing using Grammarly, and other tools such as MailChimp with email marketing could be useful for you to help you automate your engagement with the audience. As one of the most thrilling attributes associated with it, this approach does not require any form of specific technological expertise or significant investment of capital by the user. Added to this is that no kind of investment has to be made at all. The learning curve is not steep, and the vast majority of platforms are either free or have very few charges connected with them. Consistency is the best way to ensure that you are making a genuine commitment to something. On the other hand, although the execution of this strategy is sloppy, your audience will require you to have a steady publication schedule, experiment with various strategies, and engage with them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.